The SilverStone SX1000 Platinum is a game-changer in the world of small form factor (SFF) power supplies. Designed for use in compact computers, this SFX-L form factor PSU packs a punch with its 1000 W continuous power output, making it ideal for high-performance rigs that require reliable and consistent power delivery. With a class-leading single plus 12V rail that delivers a whopping 83.3 A, this power supply ensures that even the most demanding components receive the power they need to perform at their best. Efficiency is a key highlight of the SX1000 Platinum, boasting an 80+ Platinum certification. This means it operates with up to 92% efficiency at typical loads, reducing energy consumption and lowering your electricity bill. Additionally, the advanced semi-fanless operation of the silent 120mm dual ball bearing fan ensures that the PSU remains quiet during low to moderate loads, ramping up only when necessary to keep temperatures in check. This thoughtful design ensures a balance between performance and noise, making it perfect for both gaming and professional use. The fully modular design of the SX1000 Platinum is another standout feature. It comes with 100% modular short cables, equipped with flexible flat arrays that make cable management a breeze. This not only helps in maintaining a clean and organized build but also improves airflow within the case, contributing to overall system cooling and stability. Voltage regulation is top-notch, with the SX1000 Platinum maintaining strict plus or minus 3% regulation, ensuring that your components receive stable power without fluctuations. Low ripple and noise further enhance the reliability of this power supply, protecting your sensitive components from potential damage caused by unstable power delivery. SilverStone Technology has engineered the SX1000 Platinum to be a reliable workhorse, rated for 24/7 operation. This makes it a perfect choice for users who need their systems running around the clock, whether for gaming, content creation, or other intensive tasks. Compatibility with standard ATX connectors ensures that this power supply can fit into a wide range of builds, providing versatility and ease of installation. In summary, the SilverStone SX1000 Platinum is a powerhouse PSU in a compact SFX-L form factor, offering high efficiency, superb voltage regulation, and silent operation. Its fully modular design and robust build quality make it an excellent choice for any SFF build that demands the best in power and performance. If you're looking for a reliable, efficient, and powerful power supply for your small form factor PC, the SX1000 Platinum is definitely worth considering. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.